Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shimba Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Arcangel Rafael messages for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga kapatid nating Capricorn ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Arcangel Rafael, bigyan mo ako ng isang pasabog na bulabog na mensahe sa ating mga kapatid na Capricorn. Arcangel Rafael, give us your care. So, sabi ni dito, Dear God and Arcangel Rafael, I am willing to release any fear to you. Please allow me to completely let go so that I can fully guide me in this situation. No, sinasabi sa dito ni Arcangel Rafael na gagabayan ka, no? Kung saan ka man patungo, kung saan landasin ka talaga, kung anong tatahakin mo na landasin, no? So, what is additional messages? Additional messages, Arcangel Rafael. Arcangel Rafael, bigyan mo ko ng isa pang messages. Second option. Oh, my God, parehas kayo ng energy ng Pisces. There's a second option dito. So, kailangan mo ng pangalawang pagkakataon o pangalawang opinion, no? Second opinion pala, sorry. Kumbaga, pangalawang opinion, no? Kailangan mo ng makakuha pa ng mas marami pang impormasyon kung may mga karamdaman ka nararamdaman. 'Di ba? Kung may medical ka, kung hindi makita sa medical, try mo ng spiritual. Faith healer. Baka hilo, tawas, or baka nausog ka, or something na baka napilayan ka, or something na baka na matanda ka, 'di ba? Baka may lamig ka sa katawan na kailangan mong hilutin. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na there's a second opinion na may mga may nararamdaman ka na baka kailangan mo ng spiritual, no? Kung wala naman sa medical. Kung wala sa spiritual, try mo sa medical, 'di ba? Baka makita doon kung ano pa yung kumbaga kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman mo. So let's see. Do more research. O, see? Sinasabi dito na kailangan mong mas marami kang malaman at mas marami kang madagdag na information dito. No? So, let's see about dito. Dear God and Arcangel Rafael, thank you for clearly and gently leading to the information that I need to know for my well-being. Please give me the courage to be assertive as I take charge of my health care needs. So, ibig sabihin talaga, may mga nararamdaman ka talaga dito na kailangan mo ng pangalawang opinion, no? At marami ka pang malalaman. So, baka kailangan mo ng, kumbaga, baka kailangan mo ng mga herbal, no? Yung mga herbal. It's either ganyan. Kaya sinasabi ng do more research na baka makuha pa sa herbal, diba? So, let's see. What is additional messages? What is additional messages, angel spirit guides? Ano ang pinaka-powerful na mensahe sa Arcangel Rafael? There is a Queen of Wands. There is a control, confident, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident, and of course, there is a justice and balance, no? Kailangan balance in spiritual and practicality. Ha? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, magtatagumpay ka naman. O, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka dito ng recognitions, and of course, kumbaga, completions, and of course, there is a lover's card. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, magtatagumpay ka sa larangan ng pag-ibig. Kumbaga, there's a give us cares. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, ituturo ni Arcangel Raphael kung sino yung para sa'yo, no? Kung sino talaga yung may gahawak ng puso mo, no, kung sino yung kumbaga maggagamot sa nasira mong puso. Sinaktan ka before, there's a takes time to heal. And because this person na matutulong sa'yo, no, how to heal your broken heart. Wow! So what is additional messages? There is an Eight of Pentacles. Sinasabi na Eight of Pentacles dito, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. No, kailangan mo mag-focus. You are being this dedication na sa ginagawa mo. Good sa good part. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is a Five of Cups. No, wag mo sayangin yung mga opportunities. Wag mo sayangin yung mga pagkakataon na panahon. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, or baka dito, sinasabi na tinatamad o natatakot ka, no? Baka nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba, no? Na alamin kung ano ba yung nararamdaman mo. No, kung baka may nararamdaman ka dito, natatakot ka magpatingin sa doktor, or natatakot ka magpatingin sa ano. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na tuturo ni Arcangel Raphael sa'yo kung saan ka talaga na, kumbaga, nararapat na magpagamot o talaga magpagaling, di ba? Kumbaga, for medical ba yan, for spiritual, kaya there's a balance, diba? Kumbaga, try mo muna magpa-check, kung hindi makita sa doktor at hindi ka magamot ng talaga ng medications, try mo ng spiritual, baka kailangan mo lang ng hilot, baka may pilay ka, or something na nagbibigay sa iyo ng karamdaman. So, let's see guys, what is the Queen of Wands? What is the Queen of Wands? There's the Moon card. Meron ditong revelations. Maraming revelasyon na magaganap dito. Marami kang malalaman at marami kang matutuklasan. So, what is the Justice card? Justice card is the Five of Wands. Maraming competitors, maraming kalaban, maraming disagreement, and there's a lot of competitors, no? Kumbaga, maraming arguments, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, being a balance. Don't you worry, there's karma. No? Kumbaga, papasok na yung season ng Libra season. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mayroong talagang karma na coming in. What is the Six of Wands? Six of Wands represent the Three of Cups. There's a celebration. A celebration that brings you a victory and success. No? Magtatagumpay ka at the end of the time. So, what is the Lover's card? There's a magician. There's a manifestation. Then, God wills. There's a willpower. Ibibigay sa'yo ni God kung ano talaga yung para sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, may taong nakalaan at may tao talagang tinadhana, no? Na para sa'yo. So, what is the Eight of Pentacles? There is a Strength card. Lakasan mo yung loob mo, no? It's time to take an action, and of course, kailangan mong maging matapang. Diba? What is the Five of Cups? Maging matapang ka ngayon, kailangan mo. See, there's a full card, leap of faith, new beginning. Magsimula ka ng eksena. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na magtiwala ka kay God. May mga bagay na kailangan mo mag-take ng action. No? Huwag mong sayangin yung opportunities. Kailan ka magpapa-check up, kailan ka magpapatingin kung kailan malala na. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na lakasan mo yung loob mo. No? Kailangan mo na more research. Marami ka pang, kailangan mong alamin, diba? Kung saan talaga nanggagaling eksena na yan. At the same time, there's a full card, leap of faith, magtiwala ka kay God. So, what is the Queen of Wands and the Moon card? There's a Queen of Swords. There's an information na ihahatid sa'yo dito with the truth and balance. And of course, sinasabi dito sa'yo man na there's a bigger future. No? Parang sinasabi sa'yo dito, maraming revelasyon na magaganap, maraming revelasyon na malalaman. Maraming katotohanan na mailalahad. No? What is the Justice and the Five of Wands? What is the Justice and the Five of Wands? There is a Chariot card. There's an action. So, meron talagang pagkilos at paggalaw dito. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, taking actions. Diba? Kung hindi ka magte-take ng action, walang mangyayari. Diba? And of course, there's a Devil card. See? There's a negativity na sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a third party involved. Third party like sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga mayroong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda or something kumbaga may naiinggit sa'yo, gano'n, kumbaga mayroong there's a toxicities around you. What is the Lovers and the Magician? Okay, there's the Hangman. Oh, baguhin na perspective. You're feeling stuck. Some of you, baka yung person mo lutang, hindi mapakali, na gano'n. Kumbaga, there's an information na, yun nga, diba, may mga bagay na kailangan mong malaman. Do more research, mamaya, yung pala, yung nararamdaman mo, kulang pala yan, ti. 'Di ba? Gayuma pala yan. 'Di ba? Kailangan mong alamin yung katotohanan sa likod ng mga nangyayari. There's a revelations. Some of you, there's a dreams, pumapasok talaga sa panaginip mo din. What is the Eight of Pentacles and the Strength card? There's an Empress card. There's a revert. No? Kumbaga, mayroon daw ditong babae. Buwagaging buhok kulot. Something. May nakita ako. So, what is the Five of Cups? The Fool card. Okay. May nagpapagawa daw dito, ha? May nagpagawa. Babae daw. O, see, listen to your intuition. See, Nine of Swords. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makapag-isip. You're feeling stuck, you're feeling, kumbaga, yung takot mo, hindi mo alam kung saan nanggagaling. Minsan kinakabahan ka. 'Di ba? Tapos feeling mo, or okay ka naman, pero parang, bakit ganun? Parang, pag natutulog ka, hindi, gising ang diwa mo. And of course, out of nowhere, nagigising ka alanganing oras. 'Di ba? And of course, sinasabi sa dito, may mga nararamdaman ka na, parang, unexplained, 'di ba? Hindi mo ma-explain, 'di ba? So, parang may mga nararamdaman ka, may dumutusok, 'di ba? Something weird, no? Ganon. What is additional outcome? Kaya pala, do more research, no? Kailangan mong malaman lahat-lahat. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong love life or bagong romance, no? Baka kung may asawa ka, bagong pakilig sa iyo na person mo. And of course, there is an high priestess. There is an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Mayroon talaga nakatago dito na may lihim na inggit at galit sa'yo. At the same time, there is a Two of Cups. There is a partnership. Now, it's all about partnership. It's either katrabaho mo to, it's either dati mong empleyado o dati mong katrabaho or dati mong kasama sa trabaho or dati mong kumbaga kaibigan, no, or kapitbahay mo, no, kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, it's all about partnership, no. What is other messages for yin and yang messages? Oracle card. Oh my goodness. Okay. What is a yin and yang oracle card? Okay. There's a faith. Oh, divine intervention. Some of you guys, nakaranas ka na o nakaramdam ka na ng paalala ni God. There's a divine intervention o yung wake up call or red flags, no? Kumbaga dito sinusubukan ang pananampalataya at paniniwala mo. And of course, there's a chemistry, no? Kumbaga meron talaga kayong chemistry. Meron talaga kayo about sa love life. Wow. And of course, there's a receive, no? Matatanggap mo what you deserve. Sinasabi sa dito, makukuha mo ko ng mga bagay na dapat mo makuha. And of course, there's a third eye, power of the deck, clarity. Makikita mo, malalaman mo kung sino at kung bakit, no? Nangyayari yan sa'yo. So, what is the love oracle card? There's a coffee cup. There is a meeting and conversations. And of course, there's a soulmate connections. And of course, there's a camera. No? Learn from the past. Dapat matuto ka na about sa nakaraan mo. Let's see, what is the energy? There's an anxiety. Oh, yun pa, isa pa yun. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makapag-isip. There's an anxiety. There's a fear. And of course, there's a cornucopia. No? Kung kailangan mo rin ng fruits and vegetables. And of course, there's a community. No? It's either kapitbahay mo talaga rin yung gumagawa. Community is parang kapitbahay talaga. Or katrabaho, no? What is additional messages? Or there's an author. Kumbaga ikaw yung magsusulat ng sarili mong kwento. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na may kakayanan ka o kumbaga nasa sa'yo kung paano mo pagagandahin yung history mo. Diba? Kumbaga kung hindi ka magte-take ng action, walang mangyayari. At the same time, talk to your angels, no? Kumbaga, listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo at magdasal ka, ha? What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Emotional running high, no? Parang hindi ka makapaniwala na siya ang gagawa, no? Kumbaga, parang magiging emotion ka dito. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a time for healing. Wow! Kumbaga sinasabi dito sa'yo na kailangan mo talagang gamutin at magpagamot, no? Talagang it's time for healing, no? Healing eksena dito. So what is additional messages for Archangel Michael? shield yourself. No? Kailangan mo protectionin yung sarili mo. And of course, sense of humor. Dapat, kahit may pinagdadaanan ka, dapat marunong ka pa rin ngumiti, no? Hindi, wag mo ipahalata sa kanya may pinagdadaanan ka. Protectionin mo yung sarili mo. No? Some of you, inggitin ka talaga. Kailangan mong protectionin yung sarili mo. So, what is additional messages? There's a judgment, diba? There's an own uniqueness, no? Magkakaiba tayo ng eksena. Kaya wag ka masyadong mapanghusga. Hindi, mapanghusga. O wag mong hinuhusgan kung sino man yun nasa paligid mo. So, what is additional messages? There's a clarity o cleansing. Sapat to, kailangan mo ng cleansing and course clarity. Matatauhan ka at malalaman mong katotohanan. And of course, there's a magworm. Right passage. No, magtatagumpay ka sa larangan na yan. No, ay malalaman mo at makakaalis ka sa situation at magagalingin ka ng ating may kapal. And of course, there's an evolution information, no? At malalaman mo yung mga informasyon na yan. What is the romance angels? What is the romance angels? Okay, there's a passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with the joy. No? Kumbaga, compassion na talaga yung pagmahal mo talaga isang tao, diba? Ganun talaga. Or passion mo yung magmahal. Wow, there's a destiny. Wow. There's a destiny. Talagang pinagtagpo at tinadhana. And there's an isolation. You're feeling isolation dito. Hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. I told you, diba? Kasi nga, may taong gumagawa sa'yo. And of course, there's a rejection. Baka nagkaroon ng rejection, baka iniwan to ng person mo, iniwan mo to, ganon. Or some of you, parang hindi mo pinautang, diba? Rejections. O hindi mo pinagbigyan, diba? May mga ganong instances. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? What things soever you desire when you pray, believing that you receive them, and you shall have them. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay tayong pinapangarap natin or may mga bagay na gusto natin makuha. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni Jesus Loving Quotes na may mga bagay na makukuha ka. Maniwala at magtiwala ka in God perfect time, in God perfect will. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, kapag tama na yung timing at tama na yung pagkakataon, lahat ng mga bagay na yan, kung ipagkakaloob at kalooban ng Diyos ay ibibigay sa'yo. Kahit gaano katagal, kahit gaano kabilis, no? Kumbaga, pag ibibigay sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo. What is the angel's number? And of course, there's an angel's number, there's a 27. I am expressive. Ano po sinasabi dito? Your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. Your value freedom of expressions and want to improve the condition of people, whether in your community and country of the world and large. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, napapahanga mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, kaya pala naiinggit din sa'yo, diba? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong maipakita sa kanila na sa likod ng mga pinagdaanan mo, kaya mo magtagumpay. At kaya mo rin, para pinapakita mo sa kanila na kahit ganun ka, kamahal-mahal ka. Toroy! So, what is the messages of life? So, give me a one more card. Oh my God. Okay, sinasabi dito ng messages of life, search within, searching within. What I see outside myself is simply a mirror of my inner self. Today, I empower myself by looking past outer condition and searching within of my source of difficulty in my life. My inner wisdom will always help me face life challenges. It provides my best answer and my greatest healing. As I study myself, I am transformed, no? Kumaga, ang dami mong natututunan at ang dami mong nalalaman ngayon. Kumaga, mahabang tumatagal, ang dami mo na experience, mas malalo ka nag-evolve, lalo ka nagde-develop bilang isang tao. No, kumbaga, hindi ka yung yung pag sinabihan ka, labas sa kabilang tenga, hindi ganon. Kumbaga, ina-adapt mo o ina-apply mo sa sarili mo lahat. It's a good part na, kumbaga, kaya mong tumanggap ng mga bagay-bagay, no? Ikabubuti man, ikasasama, kumbaga, masakit man sa tenga, kumbaga, hindi mo magugustuhan yung mga negativity, kumbaga, ginagawa mo siyang motivation, no? It's a good part na may ganun kang personality. So, sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, guys, na kailangan mong alamin at kailangan mong malaman ang katotohanan sa likod ng mga bagay-bagay. So, sinasabi sa dito, makakapasa ka sa hamon ng buhay at makakapasa ka sa hamon ni God. Sinasabi lang sa dito na kailangan mong proteksyonan at pangalagaan yung sarili mo kahit sa anumang aspeto. No? This is Arcangel Raphael messages for the sign of Capricorn. This reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-delete sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, your location, so kung saan man kayo naroroon, so kung saan mang sulok ng mundo, kung saan man kayo, diba? Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang ating ating mahagilap. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. And babush!